Hello everyone, I'm at Cypress Mountain right now doing another video in my series, Getting Ready to Ski. A couple days ago I was at Mount Seymour. I showed you all the logistics of driving up the mountain, getting ready, how you access the mountain. Now I'm at beautiful Cypress, and with my bumper cam, sunroof cam, I showed you the entire drive up here, and it took 15 minutes. Very similar to driving up Mount Seymour. It's about a 15-minute drive up the mountain. So Cypress, very similar, about a 15-minute drive up the mountain. Now on the way up, I pulled into the Nordic area to show you where you cross-country skiers will park. And then I continued on to show you the different parking lots here at Cypress, finishing up at the top parking lot here near the chalet behind me. So, as I mentioned, Cypress is awesome, has the most terrain, but it's very busy. And you may have to park at one of those parking lots I showed you. And I reset my tachometer and it was almost a kilometer. So you're gonna have to be prepared to walk up to a kilometer in the busy season in your snow boots, the ski boots, whatever. So keep that in mind. But if you're lucky and you come early, or maybe not a peak season, this is a huge parking lot that I showed you, and this is awesome if you can get in here. But be prepared for a bit of a walk at beautiful Cypress Mountain here. But it is amazing. There is so much terrain. And like my other video, I'm going to show you around now to help you get prepared for skiing here at Cypress Mountain. So let's go look around. Okay, look at this. I'm at the base of the mountain. This is also a great hiking area. There's tons of people here for October. Cypress Provincial Park, House Sound Crest Trail, Bone Island Lookout, so much more. But I'm here talking about logistics for skiing. The access is great. Once you're in the main building over there, it's pretty awesome. Look at this, Easy Rider right here. You get a sense of the terrain. Another chairlift right over here. So they're all right here, which is great. So once you're here, you got your gear on, you're basically slapping on the boards and you're ready to ski. As soon as you exit the chalet, I call all these buildings the chalets, from European names of all these great mountains. Anyways, once you leave the main building, you are ready to go. You have to have your tickets because right away in the winter, they have the RFID system activated and you have to step through, and even on the grounds around the building, you have to have your ticket to proceed. But basically you can push yourself 100 feet and you have all of these lifts right here. Because Cypress Bowl is a bowl. Cypress Mountain's a bowl, and we're right in the middle here. So you can go up this side, you can go up this side, and the access is very good. So let's continue to look around a little bit here at the base of Cypress. Look at this midway chair. This is definitely old school. Wow, it's been around for a while. But if it takes you up the hill, why not? Now Cypress has tons of new technology and new runs, but like all North Shore mountains, Grouse, Mount Seymour, and Cypress, they've been doing ski operations for decades and decades and decades. So yeah, there is some of this older technology, like the stuff you see behind me, but we're going to continue exploring the base here at Cypress Mountain. Let's go. Okay, I've mentioned this before, but Mount Seymour is the only local mountain without snowmaking equipment. So that's a con. Especially in Vancouver, we have such a mild climate here. We really sometimes need a little help. And look at this technology. Cypress just added new snowmaking equipment like these ones, tower based, but look at this equipment. They can rotate it around and get the snow exactly where they need it. They need a water reservoir because you need water to make fake snow, and they have it here. I think that's one of the reasons why Mount Seymour doesn't have it, is to get a reservoir, and of course all the equipment, the investment. You can only imagine how much that would be. Okay, we've seen a few of the chairlifts now. Now we're gonna continue our tour here at Cypress. Okay, here I am at the Lions Express quad chair. And, you know, I've mentioned this before, like all the local mountains and many mountains now, they have the RFID system. You know, I mentioned that really as soon as you get up to Cypress here by the main building in the winter, there's lovely snow here, and right away they have the RFID systems back there further, so you can't really access this area at all without your RFID. Bloop, you walk through, the gates open, you're good. Anyways, but look behind me how close it is. So this video is all about the access and getting ready to ski. So this is perfect. It's flat and it's 150, maybe 200 feet max. Push yourself along and look at, you have all these chairs to take you up this side of the mountain. So pretty cool. Okay, we've investigated this side of the mountain, the bowl, Cypress Bowl, and now we'll go investigate the other half. Okay, Eagle Express chairlift, easy access. This is also the end of the solar coaster fun adventure they have in the summer. If you haven't done it, check it out. I'll link to the video in the description. Okay, I want to keep the camera rolling here to show you just how easy it is to start skiing here at Cypress Mountain. Your biggest job is going to get from your parking spot to the main building here. If you're nice, you can drop your friends off. And I sometimes do this, have an old pair of beater shoes, and I'll drop my friends off right in front, and then I'll do the walk to the parking lot. Because as I mentioned, the winter peak season, it's going to be busy. Okay, I'm going to wrap you around this awesome deck here. Have a look at the main building. Look at this brand new cool umbrella. Reminds me of the one up at Whistler. It provides a lot of shelter in the winter if you want to sit here and have après, hang out, meet up with your friends. This is a great new addition. I've been coming to Cypress so long, none of this was here. So pick up your food here. Some washrooms over there, another one of those huge umbrellas. No alcohol beyond this point, so finish your beer. And look at that. This new building is such a great addition. It's so huge, great food, warm up. It's awesome.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun.
Okay, this new building is amazing. Such a asset here to the Olympic Mountain, Cypress here. I've been coming here so long, none of this was here. So, you know, in here there's a huge cafeteria with great seating. It's huge. These are just all the exit doors, but it's closed right now because it's not ski season yet, but it's huge, tons of space. I've actually waited in lines here at Cypress to ski, but never really super congested to come and eat, find a seat, you know, get a hot chocolate, a cheeseburger, great food in here. And this is below is the ticket area. So this is the epicenter here at Cypress. You know, it's a bowl, as I've said, you got both sides right here, easy access to all the chairlifts. Just right over there by the construction materials where you'll have to go through the RFID to enter any of this area with your tickets. I've done separate videos on tickets. Buy now. Now are the deals to buy at all 3 local mountains and get up here to Cypress and ski. It's going to be a great season. Let's go check out a little bit more. Wow, I can't wait for a few months from now to be sitting here having après after a great day of skiing here at Cypress Mountain. I hope you enjoyed this logistics video on getting ready to ski at Cypress Mountain. I also did one at Mount Seymour the other day and have one coming out for Grouse Mountain, which is a lot different than accessing Cypress and Mount Seymour. So check out all the videos and get ready to ski. I can feel it here. It's not even mid-October and it's cold out. There's some crisp air. It's going to be a great year for skiing in the Metro Vancouver area. So get your equipment ready. Hope to see you on the slopes.